Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are actually going to be doing an unboxing of my today we're going to be doing an unboxing of my beauty subscriptions. So this is for the month of October. I always have to think about it because I'm like, how is time flying by? Like, what month is it? Oh, right, it's already October. Holy moly. Anyway. Hello, nose itch. Anyway, so to begin, I'm gonna go ahead and start off with my Ipsy. I'm gonna be unboxing Ipsy, Birchbox, and Macy's, my fave. Okay, but to start with Ipsy, it always comes in a bag like this. And this is $10 a month. Oh, this bag is so cute. Do you see that detail? It's like a masquerade mask thing. That's super cute. Okay, so the first thing I'm pulling out of here is this Take Home the Bronze Anti-Orange Bronzer. Yeah, because nobody likes to be orange, guys. Sorry for you guys that do want to be orange. I apologize. I don't want to offend anybody. Okay, next up we have this blush serum. I've never seen a blush serum. Blush tints, yes, but blush serums, no. Okay, next up we have this AURORA Intensively Precise Eyeliner in Espresso. And it's a felt tip, my fave. So I'll definitely be using that. Next up we have Tarte Shape Tape, as if I needed any more. Like, I love Shape Tape. What color is this? Light medium. Okay. Now I have a little mini size. Last up, we have this, I think you pronounce it MURAD, Environmental Shield Essence C Cleanser. So, super popular brand. I've never really used their stuff. It says to use in the AM and PM, massage over dampened face and neck, rinse and pat dry. Avoid eyes. Okay, I'll give it a try. And it always comes with a little insert. So, pretty good for the month of October. Really excited about that Shape Tape. Although I already have Shape Tape, but still, you guys don't understand how much I love mini size things and travel size things. I just don't know. They're just so cute and little and just travel size. I don't know. Do you guys feel me on that? Okay. So next up we have the Birchbox one. And it always comes in a box like this. This one's $10 a month as well. Should have opened it before I started filming, but no big deal, no big deal. Okay. Okay, so again, this is for the month of October, and first thing that I'm pulling out of here is the actual card. So it always has a little card in here with the information on the products that are coming in here. Ooh, good stuff. Okay, first thing is this the C&Co Acid Wash. Is this for like a shampoo? Okay, yes, wet hair. So yeah, this is for hair, because I was like, acid wash. I wouldn't want to put acid wash on my face, right? That sounds really weird. Anyway, next up we have this Laura Geller Nude Kisses Lip Hugging Lip Gloss. Now, I don't use too many lip glosses because I'm more of a matte girl myself, a matte lippy girl. However, it smells kind of weird. I'm definitely willing to try it, so. Oh, it's very pretty. So it has like that pinky tint and like very subtle glitter. So that's pretty cute. Okay, next up we have this Sand and Sky Australian Pink Clay. And I've actually gotten this in another one of my boxes before. It says Flash Perfection Exfoliating Treatment. Okay. I don't think that I've used it though. I still have it on my list of things that I need to use. Okay. Next we have this Dr. Jart Ceramidin. I think it's Ceramidin cream, moisture retention shield. So this, and okay, took forever to come out. Sorry if that looked weird. Smells good. I love Dr. Jart, so anything that they give me or send me, I'm like, yes, I will use it. Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you. Okay, next and lastly, we have this eyeshadow magnetic single, wait, let's try this again. ittsē eyeshadow. I don't know. I don't really know how to say it, but it's a very pretty color. It's in the color Metamorphosis. Ooh. Oh yeah, that's really pretty. It's kind of like a sheeny, I don't know if you can tell. Oh yeah, there you go. Like a sheeny color. Like a mauvey sheen. But I really like it. I'll definitely be using that. And it's super soft. Okay, so lastly is my Macy's beauty box, but I feel like my camera is gonna overheat very soon, so I will be right back. Okay, guys, I am back. I think my camera is gonna be good. Had a little fit, but that's okay. It happens sometimes. So the last one is my Macy's beauty box, and I already opened it because sometimes it's a little hard to open. It always comes with a booklet with the information and a little coupon inside. So this is all the stuff that we're gonna be looking at. Ooh, this is really cute. Okay, so this is all about eyes. That's what it says, all about eyes. Super cute pouch. Love it. Okay, come here please. It always comes in this pink paper, which I'm not mad at, okay? I am not mad at it. Sorry for the noise, sorry for the noise. Oh my God, it's so wrapped in here, guys. Okay, here we go. So the first thing that I am pulling out of here is this Lancôme Monsieur Big. I'm not sure if I said that right, but it is a mascara. There we go. So, and it is waterproof. My mom is gonna love this because she loves waterproof mascara. And I'm pretty sure I already have this mascara. I am not opposed to mascara. I love it. I've used it for years and years. However, I really like a glam lash look, so I might be getting my lashes done very soon for the hollies. That's holidays. Anyway, okay, so there's this Calvin Klein woman fragrance in here. I'm just gonna add it to my list of fragrances, and I like these little sample size because I can actually bring them with me, you know, when I'm traveling. I can try new scents while I'm out there traveling the world. So yeah, that's what I enjoy doing, just in case you were wondering. Anyway, so next up we have this bareMinerals Prime Time Eyelid Primer. Now, I used to use the Urban Decay eyelid primer, and that was like my holy grail years and years ago, but now I've just been using like concealer and it's perfectly fine because I don't want like the intense super look. I think it works anyway. Oh, they have another fragrance in here, but it's for men, which actually Freddie enjoyed the Jimmy Choo one in my last unboxing, and we ended up getting it for him. So This is actually a really good idea to include like a sample size for men too. So this one is Eternity for men. So he'll try that one. Okay, so next up we have this Girlactik Beauty Precise Eyeliner Marker. And it is a felt tip. You guys know I love my felt tip. My favorite one, did this close? Yeah, is the Stila felt tip eyeliner. That's like my, whew, that's what I have on now, girl. That's what I have on now. Love it. Okay, next up we have this Purity Made Simple Eye. Did I say that right? Purity Made Simple Eye. Like, that's the title right there. Okay, it says Hydra Bounce Eye Gel. Okay, I'm down. I'm always down for a good eye cream, which I've been lately using the Origins eye cream, so, and it's pretty good, not bad. And this last thing in here is the Estée Lauder Advanced Night Repair Eye Supercharged Complex Synchronized Recovery. What a title. It's basically night eye serum cream. And I have a lot of Estée Lauder skincare. Not complaining, I'm just saying I have a lot. Oh, it's kind of like a gel type. It has no scent to it, so that's lovely. Love when there's no scent because then it kind of gets like strong, you know? But anyway, so that was my Macy's one. I loved everything in it. I really liked October. I feel like maybe September was still my favorite, but I'm gonna be trying these things out. I actually try them out and I put them on my Insta stories. So if you're not following me on Instagram, go follow me on Instagram, girl. What are you waiting for? Like, I'm super fun. Trust me, you're gonna love it. It's Derbzilla on Instagram, and that way you can check and see if I love these products. But yeah, thank you so much for watching, and if you loved this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you're not subscribed so you don't miss any of my videos. Okay, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.